goodness. Okay. Hi, I'm Melissa.
Okay.
And here's another video. We're basically just bashing these movies, but it's hilarious.
Okay, but we used to love this movie a lot. Which
back
is
in
really,
9th grade.
Which is really pathetic.
I know. Someone actually gave it to me. It was amazing.
Oh my
I was so happy.
I actually bought it. That's so terrible.
I'm glad I didn't pay money for this movie.
Okay, but I bought a lot of movies, so...
I can't believe I even learned the dance at the end to this movie.
I learned all the words, and I used to sing with my hairbrush along with it. Word for word.
High School Musical.
Yes. So terrible.
How many of you like this movie? Right now. I know you probably liked it in the beginning, back like 5 years ago or whatever, but now, if you watch it again, you realize how stupid it is.
Yeah.
These people are like confessing love, and like, what's wrong with joining? What are they doing?
They're confessing love in song.
Oh yeah.
Not even words.
Why can't you do the basketball team and choir? Plenty of people do it every day.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
So ashamed, choir is so girly, you know.
Oh my goodness.
Singing.
And these people, Sharpay and what was the brother's
Evan?
name? Evan. Yeah. They take these things too seriously.
There are those people out
and
there.
then there was that nerdy girl who I actually kind of liked.
Oh,
what was her
piano
name?
player?
Yeah.
She wasn't important enough to remember.
Oh my goodness. And she was the only one I actually liked. That's serious.
You should remember her name then.
Okay, the way Troy... I forget that. I think her name was Chelsea or something like that.
Oh yeah, Chelsea.
Okay.
It's Chelsea.
Okay, the way Troy sang, it was like square. Like, it was so weird. Like, you could tell he was lip syncing.
I never noticed.
It bugged me so much. Okay, this movie was bad, but the fact that they made a second one, High School Musical 2.
The first one was bad, but the second one, it just got worse. Summer jobs, really, all at the same place.
Cool, yeah, I know.
Like the whole
I've been trying to get a job for
there.
like 6 months, and I applied to like 18 different places, and none of them called me back.
And the songs in this movie, so terrible.
And who jumps in the pool with all their clothes on? Oh yeah,
people do that.
And I know, but still. And at the end, when they're all singing or whatever at the country club, these crazy little lanterns like float up. And then they just disappear. Oh my goodness.
They floated away.
These people take these things too seriously. Like Sharpay and Evan with their whole competition thing. They need some help.
Yes.
It was bad enough that they made a first, and then they made a second one.
And they just had to make a third.
Ruin it and go with the third. Oops, the third.
And the third was the worst. It got even better. I mean,
even worse
than the rest of them.
How did these people graduate from freshman year, summer, and then all of a sudden they're seniors? Oh my goodness.
I'm surprised they even graduated.
I know, seriously, these people. Oops, it's Anne's mom.
Okay, so...